Today, we're taking a look at Ad Alchemy, an AI toolkit that helps you build, scale, and optimize your Google Ads campaigns for maximum ROI. Jumping right in, let's start with the targeting tools. Here's where you can research and generate new keywords for your campaigns. You've got loads of tools to help you combine, replace, clean up, and cluster keywords. You'll find all your keyword sets saved here too. Over in the Ads section, you'll find all your standalone and campaign-specific Google Ads. And with AI writing tools at your disposal, it's easy to write, rewrite, and optimize your ads for maximum conversions. Every good PPC campaign needs a strong landing page. With Ad Alchemy, you can run a landing page analysis and get actionable insights to improve performance. Things like eye tracking maps, benchmark data, and simple optimizations in just a few seconds. When you upgrade to Tier 3, you'll get access to Ad Alchemy's entire toolkit, along with 25 user seats and 16.5 million research credits. Ad Alchemy's LTV Planner lets you map out your sales funnel to find new revenue drivers. You can visualize different scenarios to see which traffic sources and offers will affect your bottom line. Ad Alchemy's bread and butter is the campaign builder. This tool lets you create incredibly powerful and highly segmented campaigns. This is where you'll finalize your target keywords, bidding strategy, and UTM links. And last but not least, you've got access to the Competitor Research Toolkit. With this, you can better understand the competitive landscape and find new opportunities for your brand. With Ad Alchemy, you've got all the tools you need to maximize your Google Ads ROI. Just click Buy Now to lock in your lifetime access today.